So you might be living in the Houston area and you're looking to maybe buy your first home you want the best community and the best builder. Of course, I want new construction. Let's check out Meridiana, Chesmar Homes, their villa collections, their townhomes that are amazing and under 300. The 2 stories might be a little bit, maybe 305, depending on some of the options that you get. But right now, I'm standing in this amazing model home right now. It's the Haven Plan, 1,700 square foot, around that price, just to get started. And you've got a couple options. You can buy the inventory home, always get a much better deal as well. But you've got to check out Meridiana. It is just south of Houston, amenities everywhere. They got the Oasis Village, they've got the gym, the Welcome Center, a little cafe over there, a place that you can rent for parties. Of course, the resort style pool and the lap pool. It's incredible just over there. Not too far from there is the new amenity center. They have the wave pool and the lazy river, all kind of activities. You've got to check out Meridiana, but you got to call me first so I can show you around. I know everything about Meridiana. I'm always out here. And of course, I'm your realtor that I can help get you in a new construction home anywhere in the Houston area, representing your best interest, and the builder pays for the cost. And I can get you the best deal on any of these homes anywhere. So yeah, James Potenza, your Houston New Home Realtor. Look me up and I'll help you out. Let's take a look at this model home by Chesmar. Told you, Chesmar Homes in Meridiana, under 300, amazing community. You're gonna have to look me up, James Patenzi, your Houston New Home Realtor, representing your best interest, and the builder pays for the cost. Give me a call and I'll show you around the beautiful neighborhood, and we can go right to these Chesmar Homes and see what kind of deal we can get. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.